Math 3, your final benchmark, question 44. All right, the expression, I'm going to say the exponential expression represents the amount of a certain radioactive substance after T years. Which statement is true? All right, if you look at these statements, each one of the statements starts with the exact same thing. It says the expression is equivalent. The expression is equivalent. All right, so we can conclude that the expression is equivalent. We don't have to worry about the first part of the statement because those are all exactly alike. So what do we have to look at? And it shows a decay rate of approximately 99.99%. This one shows a decay rate of 1%. This one shows a decay rate of 0.999%. And this one shows a decay rate of approximately 0.01%. So the only thing we have to do is look at this and say, what does this mean? All right, so if we have 120 times 0.999, well, we know that that is 1 minus whatever the interest rate is. So 1 minus the interest rate, that will be the decay rate. So what we need to find out is that going to be 99.99, 1, 0.9999, or 0.01%. All right, so if I have 1 minus 99.99, is that going to give me this number here? And the answer to that is no. All right, same thing. It's not going to give me 1%, but it will give me 0.01%. All right, so it won't give me this either. This is just the same thing as that, but remember you have to do 1 minus your R. All right, so if you do 1 minus 0.9999, you're going to get about 0.01% per year. So the answer to number 44 is just about reading carefully and understanding what the question is asking. All it wants is, what is the decay rate? So question 44, the answer is D.